welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we have, in today's video, look what we have here. We have one of the biggest challenges that erebuilds will be ever taking on. We have a DAF tractor trailer that we have to repair. So guys, what we have to actually do with this now, I'll show you the damages on this truck. So we actually first remove the windshield over here, and then we gotta change this whole side, the whole left side. So I'll give you a walk around of the work that gotta be done on this truck, guys. Look at this. Look at this. That they have just put erebuilds to the test. All right, guys. So look at the work that have to be done. So you see, as you can see right here, the whole side is damaged right here. Look at that. We have to get all the way up in there to fix all of this damage right here. Then we have to change the door. And not only the door, we have to change this whole side here. The interior's already got it out already. So you see, these are the damages right here. Got it to the roof. This panel here is damaged right here, as you can see. We got to change that. It don't make sense putting all that body fill on there. So we will take that panel out. See, it's up closing. So we have a door here that we're actually going to put on here. So this is the damage to the truck that erebuilds will be attempting to repair and repair. No job is too big for erebuilds. Alright guys, this is the side that we actually have to put on there. Removing that side and place this side in there.